Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change font size and display size on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. To do that, we have to open Settings, then go to Display menu. In Display, expand Advanced Options. Then to change the font size, go to Font Size and move the slider to the right to increase the size of the font, or to the left to decrease it. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. And as for the display size, select the display size and change it in the very same way. You have the preview of both messaging icons and menu items. And once again, when you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.